Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Dear God, won't you send me a break, 'cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Beauty Forever Hair Company. They sent me over their new black cherry colored 13x4 wig. This is what the lace on the wig looks like. It comes pre-plucked and it also has the lace tape already customized into it. This is how the inside construction of the lace in the wig looks. It has elastic straps and bands built into it. And I absolutely love how the cap is stretchy to fit and sculpt your head shape. And it also has a drawstring elastic band in the very back of the wig. So this wig can be worn completely glueless. The texture on this wig is water wave, and first impression, the hair and the curls are so soft to touch. The length to this wig is 20 inches, and they customized the color of this wig and made it a dark cherry, black cherry color. And y'all, this color is so pretty. Like, it's one of those colors that are dark enough, but also light enough, if that makes sense. The color really stands out in the sun, I will say that. So guys, I went ahead and I tried this wig on right out of the box. And here I just showed you guys what the lace looks like right out of the box and also what the hair looks like. As you guys can see, this wig is just a little bit big for my head. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn around and show you guys just how to use this drawstring elastic band. All you have to do is pull it. There's a little knob on it. Push that knob up and then tuck it underneath of the wig. And now you guys can see this wig is stuck and it's not going anywhere. I personally do not like to use the tapes on the wigs all the time, so I'm just going ahead and taking them off, and this is how easy it is to take them off. If you guys do want to see a tutorial on how to install your wig with tapes, I have a lot of those, but I will not be installing it with those today. I'm showing you guys that you can wear this wig right out of the box. This is what it would look like if you put it on right out of the box and decided to go. But I am going to go ahead and tack down this lace. I'm taking my lace spray and I'm going to spray that around the perimeter of the wig. And then I will come back to talk to you guys once this wig is all tacked down.
I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Gotten that wig all tacked down and our edge band is on to secure it. Let's get into this hair, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get the top of that hair nice and flat. So I'm taking my wax stick first and I'm just pressing that at the top of the hair as well as around where the edges of the hair are. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hot comb and press that nice and flat to my desired look.
Come to buy. Don't you
that that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my edge band off and see if that lace is all dry, and it definitely is. This is what the lace looks like. I did not do any additional plucking. This is just how the wig came. I'm going in with my foundation powder and I'm just tapping that around the hairline just to make it match a little bit better and just make that lace fade a little bit more into my skin complexion. And as you guys can see, that did a really, really good job. So this is what the lace looks like now. It looks so much better and I'm really, really feeling it. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box, guys. If you receive this wig and you want to try it out and you're like, I don't know how to style my hair, this is what the wig will look like right out of the box. I really, really love the curls. I'm absolutely in love with the color, guys. I'm going to turn around also so you guys can see just how full this hair is. It is super, super full, and I'm telling you guys, it's perfect for the fall. Okay, so now we're going to get into defining those curls. I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body foaming mousse, and I'm going to cover this hair in the mousse until these curls are nice and juicy.
Can't keep going.
What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay.
So guys, once you're done putting that mousse all over the hair, this is what those curls will look like. How pretty is that? And look at that lace. It actually came out so bomb, guys. This is the finished look, and like I said, I am absolutely obsessed with this color. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair Company for sending me over this bomb wig. They are also having a Black Friday sale right now, so make sure to check out my description box. I will have all the details to this wig as well as Beauty Forever Hair Company's wig website down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave me some feedback, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.